Good morning, students. Next, we have thermal expansion in liquids. That means liquid also expands when is heated. You might have seen that when your mother boils milk, after some time the level of the milk rises, and if it is not removed, it is found that milk overflows out of the container. So you started with half the container of milk, but slowly on heating it is rising and it overflows out. This is nothing but the expansion of liquid. So liquid also expands on heating, but again all liquids do not expand by equal amount. There are different liquids. There are some liquids which expand very fast and some expands very late. It takes much time to show its expansion. A very good example of the expansion in liquid, what we can notice is the rise in the mercury level in the thermometer when it is heated. Where do we use thermometer? To measure the body temperature. So when the heat of the body is transferred, or when bulb of the thermometer absorbs the heat of the body, the mercury absorbs the heat and begins to rise. This rising of the mercury can easily be noticed, and it is a kind of experiment, you can say, which shows there is thermal expansion in liquids also. Let us now see that how can we find that different liquids show different kinds of expansion when heated to the same temperature. So here to show that different liquids expands by different amounts, we have taken 4 different liquids in this big tub which is filled with hot water. We have 4 different bottles filled with 4 different liquids. First is water, second is kerosene, third is alcohol, and the fourth one contains benzene. Now it is found that since they all are dipped into hot water, they are receiving or they are heating through the same temperature. Now it is noticed that out of all these 4, it is benzene that shows the maximum expansion. It expands rapidly and it will rise through this and may reach to this part. But by this time, alcohol may reach to this part only, showing the expansion less than benzene. Whereas kerosene expansion is even slow and it can expand to this much, which is less than alcohol. Water on the other hand shows the least expansion. It may expand very little and may rise only up to this level. So you can see the level of the expansion. Water shows the least expansion and the most expansion is shown by benzene. This proves that different liquids can expand by different amounts even though when they are heated through the same temperature. Like solid and liquids, even gas also expand. So here we have the thermal expansion in gas, and this expansion can be easily noticed. For example, when you inflate a balloon and then keep it outside in the sun, you will find after some time the balloon burst, and it is due to the expansion of the gas inside the balloon. Because when the gas expands after receiving heat from the sun or from the surroundings, it will increase the volume and it will start exerting pressure on the wall of the balloon. And finally the balloon gets burst this is the best example that we come across to almost in everyday life. Second example can be the bursting of the tires very often during summer season. Here also the reason is same. The reason is the expansion of the gas in the tubes of the tire. This expansion leads to the bursting of the tubes or the bursting of tires. So we can say there can be expansion in all the three states. We have expansion in gas as well. Thank you.